Are you looking to break into the exciting world of Azure Data Engineering? In this video, I'm going to outline a fast track to becoming an Azure Data Engineer and landing your first job in just 30 days. We'll cover everything from essential certifications to hands-on experience with key Azure tools. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. My name is Aleksi, and on this channel I cover Microsoft Azure and Fabric related topics. I'm currently working as a solution architect and specialized to Azure and Fabric data solutions. I've worked as a data engineer in the past, and my day-to-day job still involves quite a lot of data engineering and managing a team of data engineers. So I'm very experienced in Azure data engineering, and I know exactly what it takes to become an Azure data engineer. In this video, let's imagine that you are starting from scratch and you have around 30 full days or 4 weeks to dedicate to this project of becoming an Azure data engineer and then landing your first actual job in the field. First, let's talk about why Azure data engineering is such a great career choice. First thing is that demand for data engineers, especially those skilled in Azure, is skyrocketing. Every business today needs to handle vast amounts of data efficiently. This high demand means plenty of job opportunities. And of course, this high demand translates to good salaries, since companies have to compete on those people who are skilled in the field. And thus, data engineering roles are among the top paying jobs in tech. According to Glassdoor, median total pay for an Azure data engineer is around $150,000 annually, making it a financially rewarding career. This is a great incentive for those looking to enter the field. Also, data engineering is a cool job, because you get to build and optimize systems that handle huge amounts of data. It's both challenging and rewarding. You're helping companies to make smarter decisions, which can be incredibly satisfying. Next, let's talk about the path how to get started with Azure Data Engineering. To kickstart your journey, begin with the DP900 Azure Data Fundamentals Certification. The DP900 certification teaches you the fundamentals about Azure data services. It's the perfect starting point for beginners and sets a solid foundation for more advanced certifications. You'll learn more about core data concepts, relational data in Azure, non-relational data, and data analytics. Also, these certifications are a great addition to your CV and will increase your chances of landing your first job in the field a lot. I would like you to spend roughly 1 week from our program for preparing and getting this certification. Next, get some hands-on experience. Sign up for a free Azure subscription, which gives you access to a range of Azure services for 30 days. This is a fantastic opportunity to experiment and learn without any financial commitment. Use this time wisely to explore and understand the various tools Azure offers. Next, let's cover the most essential Azure resources that you should focus on during this hands-on learning part. Start by learning Azure Data Factory, which is essential for creating data pipelines and workflows. It's the backbone of many data engineering tasks. You will learn how to orchestrate and automate data movement and transformation. Next, get comfortable with Databricks. Learn the basics of PySpark and Spark SQL, as these are critical for big data processing and analytics. Then you have to understand how to use Azure Blob storage for storing large amount of structured and unstructured data. It's a fundamental component of data engineering on Azure. Finally, learn about Azure SQL database. Make sure to get the basics of TSQL, as it is crucial for managing and querying relational databases. You will need to know what are the different objects in the database, like tables, views, and stored procedures, and how to interact with them using TSQL. For all of these resources, there are plenty of free tutorials found online that can teach you the basics and more about these resources. For example, on my channel I have entire playlist dedicated to Azure Data Factory that will teach you how to build production-ready data pipelines with the best practices. I would say that spend roughly 2 weeks getting this hands-on experience with these core Azure data tools. Then we have roughly 1 week left. Before I reveal what you should focus on during the last week of this program, I would like you to know that I spent a ton of my free time creating this content for you, and that's why I would like you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that you will get notified when I release more Azure and Fabric related content. But now let's cover the next step on our roadmap. That is the DP23 Certification, also known as Azure Data Engineering Associate Certification. This certification is highly regarded and proves that you have the skills needed to design and implement data solutions on Azure. This certification material dives deeper into the practical aspects of data engineering, including data storage, data processing, and data security on Azure. It covers advanced topics like implementing relational and non-relational data stores, integrating data from different sources, and building secure and compliant data solutions. In my opinion, this certification could be very difficult to pass without any actual hands-on experience with Azure tools. And that's why I'm not recommending you to study to this exam before you have gained some hands-on experience with the tools I mentioned before, since those are a big part of this exam. This exam should be passable in 1 week if you already have spent 2 weeks getting some hands-on experience with those Azure tools. By following this plan, you will be well on your way to landing your first job as an Azure data engineer. Remember, this is just the beginning. Once you land your first job, continue learning and growing your role. The field of data engineering is always evolving, and staying up to date with the latest technologies and best practices is a key to long-term success. What do you think? Are you ready to start your journey as an Azure data engineer? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you'd like to get started learning Azure Data Factory, check out this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.